We're out here on the mighty Columbia River out sturgeon fishing today. We've got a outgoing tide this evening here, and so we're targeting these white sturgeon. They're migrating in and out of the river right now, and so our bait of choice this evening has been some herring and some anchovies. So we've got a few rods set out here, and we're just waiting for the action to happen. All right, we got him. Oh, here he comes. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Look at this one. Oh, here we go. Beauty. So that one's probably about 38 inches, 39 inches. We're going to do a little release. What if I told you there's another one biting on another rod? All right, buddy, here you go. Oh, look at that, he's running. Oh, he's going back down again. Oh, we're losing the battle. Oh, he's still fighting. All right, how you doing? You doing okay? Your arms getting tired? Oh, we're gonna see him here in a minute. Oh, he's going back down. Oh, you got it, bud. There you go. Oh, he's a big one. He's going in the boat. He's got a boat. We're going to walk him. Okay.